Hi guys, Marcus here, Everything Tenere. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year soon. This is just a short little video showing what kind of options and added stuff I ordered for my T7 for Christmas. So just a little video showing you what will be coming up soon on the channel, installs and everything else that comes with it. So there have been plenty of things ordered, an expensive Christmas for me, or gifts for myself anyways. So let's start. Let's change the camera angle so you guys can see what we are looking at. So we'll start off with the most expensive part here, which I have been wanting to own for a long time, which is the RallyRaid rear shock, the Extreme rear shock. So not with the hydraulic preload, but the manual one. I also got the Top Bar Clamp from RallyRaid. So this is something I will add to the handlebars. So in the future, when I might build my own rally tower, I can move the speedo down on the handlebars. I also got their wheel spacers, which have this rim on it, so it actually does not drop off from the wheel when you remove it. So this actually get more secured behind the seal for the bearing. So front and rear. What did I get more? I got from Mr. Mucci himself 2 new link arm protectors and a Christmas gift, which I was very happy about. I've been looking at a rear rack, and this is I think it's an Atelier. It's also an Italian guy that makes these. So this, Paulo had this for his bike. He didn't use it, so he said, Marcus, you can have it, and it's very, very generous of him. There's many different kind of Atelier rear racks for the T7. I wanted something minimalistic, so I think this is an Arnold, a standard Arnold with a added top mounting plate, so you can have a top case with like a QD mount on it. So this is a bit longer than the minimalistic Arnold one. I will see what I do. I will fit it. I will check it out, how it looks. Might modify it a bit. We will see what happens with that. I also got from Off the Road double take mirrors. So they sell it in a set, so you really get everything you need. You get the right hand and left hand attachment screw, and both mirrors, of course. I also got a full set of wheel bearings from Off the Road, and the seals as well for the bearings. And from autodoc.se I got this bearing puller, so I can do the replacement of the bearings in the correct kind of way, I guess. But well, we all know that this is not really needed. You don't need that, but it's great to have, and it makes the job a lot easier. So I also have on order Enduristan Races to Places limited edition bag set, which haven't arrived yet, so I will do a separate video when that comes. So that's it, guys. I will be starting making videos regarding the installs and whatnot on these parts. Probably start with the shock, with the rear shock, and I see you guys later, and hope you enjoy your holiday season and have a wonderful time with your family and friends. And well, take care, stay safe, and cheerios. Bye bye.
nu.